Hello, this is Mark from 2dogrc.com. Going to do a little unboxing, quick review of the Diatone Tyrant 180. So it comes in a nice box, got a nice see-through so you can see what you're buying. Let's open up and see what we got inside. Okay. There's our little ship. We've got some stickers. We've got an instruction manual. We've got two sets of propellers. Now, we were one of the first people to get these Diatones, so I'm not sure if you always will get these, but we've got some real thick 4x4.5s and some thin 4x2.5s. So really two different propellers here, depending on what you want to do. Probably run 3S, run the 4x4.5s, and the 4S run the 4.25s. But I haven't flown this one yet. I'm dying to, but I haven't. With these 2204 motors, you're going to have a lot of power. So we'll see how that goes once we actually get a chance to fly these. And then you also should get a little tool set with battery straps and a wrench and some extra screws. Alright, let's take a look at our ship here. Take it off this little cardboard box. Oh, there's our little missed those. Okay. Alright, so again, this is a Diatone 180. Let's do a quick measurement and see how it checks out. From this motor to this motor, it's about 185. Say 185 millimeters. So that's, you know, we don't really say we buy a 185. We just say 180. So that's good. The motors are 4 2204 2300 kV motors, very popular for this size. You can easily run 3S 1500s on here. Battery wise, you're kind of restricted on the size. Its battery goes right here. So, you know, 15, maybe a 1700 if it fits. You could also run 4S. The 20 amp speed controllers have BioHeli and are capable of 4S. So you could easily run a 4S, and you are restricted to the 4-inch props size because of the arms. So, you know, these 4.45s, or you might even be able to get away with some 40-25 tri-blades on here. That would be a pretty cool setup. That shouldn't be any problem for these motors to run. 3S, you definitely want the thicker 40-45 props. And also you could run tris 40-25s or so on 3S without a problem. The camera is protected by this little cage right here. That's kind of nice. It's the Diatone 600 TVL camera, and it's on this little mount that you can move, and you can tighten that screw. I'd loosen it so we can move it, but obviously you can put it nice and flat forward, or you can get a pretty steep angle there. You kind of see that. That's definitely enough for some FPV flying. Now, one of the things that looks a little tricky when I was looking at this kit is, where am I going to put my receiver? So I thought about that, and there's a couple options. If you're running like a D4R Spectrum or Tyrant system, probably be able to wire it and stick it underneath the flight controller. You might be able to do it with the Spectrum satellite receiver as well. The wires are going to come out of here and go right into there. You could also maybe mount it right behind your camera. The battery goes on top. Alright, so the camera, you got a video transmitter back here. It's a 40-channel race band. There's a little button on top here. You push that and it'll cycle through the band and channels for you. You got a right-hand circular polarized antenna. You got an XT60 connector in the back for your battery. It goes right up there like that. The flight controller is a NAS Revision 6, excuse me. So you're going to have a wire that comes right out of here. That's going to go to your receiver. And then here you've got a wire that's already programmed in. That's your VBAT or your buzzer. I can't really tell too clearly on here which one that one is. And then there's your buzzer right there. Actually, VBAT might be, it's one of these two. There's a wire here and here. One's VBAT and one's your buzzer. The buzzer's built in there. This does have a power distribution board built onto the top of the 4mm frame. It's very thick and heavy. The weight here is about 150 grams. See, again, NAS, there's your USB port. If you look here, you can see that white wire, a little banded wire. That goes from the power distribution board up to the NOS, and that's the signal wires for your ESCs. The ESCs just solder right into the arms. There's a little spot back here for them. And that's kind of nice because it'd be very, very easy to change speed controllers if you crashed. Also to upgrade if you wanted to put different speed controllers on in the future. So that would be really easy. You also get these nice motor protectors that come with feet. So not only does it protect your motor if you crash in the dirt or whatever, but your ship isn't sitting on the ground. It's got little feet on it. It's a 4mm frame, which is very thick. Compared to most of the frames out there. You know, this is solid carbon fiber. There's no flex at all on this ship. I mean, it's tight. Well, I haven't flown this one yet. I just want to do some unboxing videos. I hope to get one up. We've sent one out to our team pilot, and he's gonna get some good PIDs for you guys and some flight videos to get you stoked about flying one of these. So if you want one, check them out, 2dogrc.com. Thank you.